Welcome, Julie.
Thanks, Allison. I'm so pleased to be here.
We're so happy to have you.
Yes.
We've got a lot of ambient noise going on around here.
I love it. It's
the
great.
excitement is just, pulsating
Isn't
through
it
this
just
place.
exhilarating to be here? I think it's just, when you see everybody here and you just kind of get the oohs and the ahs, it's just, you can't help but just have a great time.
I bet you're getting a lot of oohs and ahs.
Yes, I think we are getting some oohs and ahs.
What are people most excited about with Monogram at KBIS?
I think, so we always view KBIS as a way for us to be able to launch our year. And this year in particular, we are talking about the iconic kitchen. So it is our perspective on what the iconic kitchen, what a luxury kitchen today looks like. And so the idea of a designed kitchen is no longer, it's more about composed, very intentional details.
And talk to me about what intentional details mean to Monogram.
Yes, and so I think, we are a luxury brand, which means that we are a fully sensorial brand. So what happens is you have to experience it. You have to walk in and it's about a feeling. So there's emotional connection in luxury. So it becomes really important to be able to say, you want to touch, feel, experience. You want to be able to have a memory. So when we talk about sensory, it's all about the five senses. So you think about touch, smell. Actually, when you smell something, it is the shortest path to your brain.
Really?
And so that, is one of those reasons why smell is so important and core. So if you think about, being potentially in your grandmother's kitchen and smelling cookies, and so that brings you immediately back to that moment. And so for Monogram, it's really important that we evoke that same kind of emotion.
So that's why these kinds of events are probably so important, because it gives potential consumers the ability to pick it up.
Yes, absolutely. And to be able to showcase things in different ways in different applications.
Sure.
So for instance, we've got a integrated bottom freezer. And so what that looks like when you come into our space is that you've got custom cabinetry and it looks just like a beautiful armoire.
You almost think you're probably not in a kitchen.
Exactly. It's a furniture piece, and then you kind of blends this style and functionality together, and so that just makes it really comfortable, so that it's almost like you have your own retreat at your very own home.
What other new tricks are you sort of excited to show people this season?
So there's a few things that we have. So I think one is that we've got a new dishwasher coming out. And it really is this, powerhouse kind of sous chef cleanup in the kitchen.
That's amazing.
And so it is going to be the quietest kitchen or quietest dishwasher on the market.
You don't even know that it's running.
Exactly. So it is even quieter than a whisper, which is amazing.
You will put your hand up on it. You're like, is this thing running?
Exactly. So we have a solve for that though, because all of our appliances are Wi-Fi enabled. And so you are able to kind of pull those things together and it'll tell you when your cycle is done.
That's incredible. How do you balance innovation with timeless design when creating these statement pieces?
Yes. So everything that we're doing is very intentional, very purposeful. So for instance, when we think about any of those product design things, we need to be able to be really purposeful in terms of, we want to make sure that when we have the sapphire knobs on our range, that we want to be able to make sure that when you touch that, it is going to last not just the first day, but it's going to last the 10,000th day. And you're still going to have that same experience. The other thing is that we're going to make sure that that innovation is seamless and makes your life easier. Mm-hmm. So for instance, we have a beautiful Monogram hearth oven. It is flush installed in a standard 30-inch wall oven hole. But the best is that it is a brick oven performance, but there's no incremental ventilation needed because we've got a catalytic converter in it that is there's no billowing out of smoke. So you get all of that performance with all of the convenience of being able to do it indoor. And so that's the type of innovation that we think about because we want to be able to make everybody's life easier and a lot more seamless.
It's like the jewelry of the kitchen.
It absolutely is. And so that crown jewel is what we think about from our cooking equipment. And so it's a statement piece and you want to be able to show it off.
Definitely. How do collaborations with designers and culinary experts help shape Monogram?
Yeah, so we learn a lot from our partners. And I think, we are very honored and very lucky to be able to have partners that really want to be able to give feedback, and so feedback is really key for us. When we went to redo our Monogram professional range, it was one that we took that input and what does that look like when we think about the design. And so that becomes incredibly important. So those designers really push the envelope and request things that, on the face of it, you go, I don't know if that's possible.
Right.
And then you realize going, no, we can definitely do this. And this is really great
That's
feedback.
exciting.
And our chef partnerships are great. We just announced that Chef Manit Chauhan.
I saw that.
Yes, she's amazing. And so she has a global culinary perspective. And when we think about who our end users are, they're globally inspired and they know exactly, they want to be able to embrace different cultures. And she brings a really great point of view. So
And they can probably push the envelope in different ways as they're thinking about the trends in the food space and how that can sort of...
Absolutely. So some of those kinds of things where it's also the performance, right? Because she wants to be able to cook in her home just like she would in her professional kitchen in her restaurants. And so being able to inform that and for us to figure out what does that look like for a residential perspective becomes really important.
How do you make sure that these new products are exciting both designers and consumers?
Exactly. So we have the opportunity of having designers come to our Monogram Design Center in Chicago. And so they get to learn a little bit more about Monogram, but then we also get to learn even more about what's happening, in the marketplace and those design trends. And so that kind of partnership and being able to see all that feedback is really great. In addition to that, the Design Center is in the Merchandise Mart in Chicago, and so you have consumers that are shopping, trying to find inspiration, and that's also a great opportunity to be able to continue to understand what it is that they're looking for and what they would like.
Let's talk for a moment just about building a luxury brand long term and how important is storytelling in your partnerships?
Yes. So we were talking earlier about emotion, right?
Yes.
And so emotion is really key. It ties you to a brand. There's something that just resonates with you. Maybe you can't explain it. Maybe you don't even exactly know what that is, and that becomes really important. And so that emotion piece is the first that we think about. So what does that look like? How is that going to make you feel? And that storytelling means that I want to be able to be very purposeful in terms of there's a reason and a place and a why of what it is that we do. So everything we're doing is purposeful and be able to wrap a story around that so that it resonates with you and you're like, I had not even thought about that. That's brilliant. Or even something as simple as the chime that we have on our dish. It's, it's not a ding, it's a chime, but we have a sound lab that talks about that. And so we can exactly know what we want to be able to put in.
When you receive that dishwasher in your house, the average consumer might not have any idea how much research and thought goes into these products to really make them perfect.
Yes. We'd love to be able to do all of this really great testing. I think it's core to understanding what it is, not just that it's going to perform, but everybody. It's hitting all the things. Again, going back to. We want to make everybody's lives effortless and seamless.
Right.
And that's where that intersection on technology, but then also between design and culinary comes into play.
When you think about successful partnerships, what do they look like to you 6 months or even a year after launch?
So it's interesting. I think, you end up having a partnership, and part of it's just like, do you and the respective teams have chemistry, right? So there's a little bit of going, are you like-minded? Do you have the same type of goals? And so that first, 6 months is really kind of figuring out what are we going to do together? How are we going to make something great? And so you've got all that. Then you articulate a plan and start to do that. And I'll be honest, I think, those first 6 months, you're really getting to know each other, even at a more deeper level. And then that partnership starts to sing, after that. It becomes even richer because it's almost like you can complete each other's sentences. You're part of the family, and you just, and again, that partnership just continues. And even for those partnerships that have a contract tied to it, I think it's what you realize is those last well beyond what that contract period is. Because at that point, you've got that emotional bond and very like-minded and just want to continue to do really great things together.
What design trends are you keeping an eye on as you think about Monogram products and how they fit into luxury kitchens?
Yeah. So I think as we think about it, I mentioned earlier about the cabinetry armoire. Yes. I think it's one of those that, I think it's really important that we have product that is not going to limit your designer's design intention. And so you want to be able to have something that is going to fit into that design, whatever that aesthetic is. So we have something that's very versatile in that kind of way. I think the other piece that's going to be really important is just ensuring that, right now, kitchens are not just a kitchen.
Right.
It's a lounge, and it is an entertaining space, and it's a place to feel comfortable, and even to some extent a little bit of a retreat. And so as you think about designing those spaces, that they are your living rooms.
I would agree 100%.
And that is something that, is becoming even more important as we think about, the kitchen's always been the heart of the home, but as we think about what that looks like, you want to be able to have all of these other areas in which you can feel comfortable, and it is your living space.
Well, Julie, I can't wait to stop by and see all that you have to offer for 2026 and for the years ahead. So thank you very much for stopping by and sharing all of this exciting news with us. And it's been such a treat talking with you.
Thank you. This was a fantastic time. I'm so pleased, and definitely we will give you a tour.
Oh, I'll be there.
With all the bells and whistles.
Thank you, Julie.